In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Skype profile link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your Skype details with your professional network or just want to make connecting with friends and family easier, getting your Skype profile link is a simple process that you can do right from your browser. So grab your computer and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access Skype via your preferred web browser. Simply type web.skype.com in the address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed in, the Skype login page will prompt you to enter your account details. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main Skype interface, where you can access all your messages and contacts. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile area to locate your Skype profile link. To do this, look towards the top left corner of the web page, where you should see your profile photo. If you haven't set one, it may just be an avatar or possibly the first letter of your name. Go ahead and click on that profile photo. By clicking on your profile photo, a menu or a drop-down should appear showing several options. This is essentially your gateway to your Skype account settings and profile details. Within these options, you're looking for something specific, the Share Profile button. This might seem intuitive, but it's easy to overlook with all the other settings available. Upon finding and clicking Share Profile, a new set of options will emerge, focusing on the different ways you can share your Skype profile. But there's one option that's universally handy, and that's Copy to Clipboard. This button does exactly what it says. It copies your Skype profile link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Clicking Copy to Clipboard might not give you any visual cue that it's done, but rest assured your Skype link is now ready to be shared. Whether you're sending it in an email, dropping it into a text message, or adding it to your digital business card, your Skype profile link is now just a paste away from connecting you to others. And it's as simple as that. You've just learned how to quickly find and copy your Skype profile link for easy sharing. Remember, sharing your Skype link can make it much easier for people to find you. So consider where and with whom you're sharing it to maintain your privacy and security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.